Hi, this is a video about a Unix facility, which I will call Z or Z. I don't know where the author was from, so American, they would have called it Z. Okay, so where are we? So I'm in my home directory here. I can type Z. Okay, I'm just going to type Z. And what it does is it responds with a whole bunch of, what are these things? These are directories. And this thing on the left, this number on the left, it's something to do with how often I've been in the directory and also how recently I've been in the directory. So this combined in some way. I'm sure you can set the weighting between the two things. But let's see. So lately, I've been doing some stuff with undergraduate scholarships. So I'm thinking UND might be good enough for me to find that. And now you can see, oh yeah, and by the way, I use the Z shell. More about that in just a second, but you can see that I'm now in a directory to do with undergraduate scholarships. I won't show you anything else because you might see names of students. I'm doing some work with Argo data, so a bunch of different things to do with Argo data, but I'll just do Z-arg. And now I'm in a Git repository with the project I'm doing on Argo intrusions. Right, so basically that's it. You type Z and then something that you might be searching for. And because of this thing where it's keeping track of how often you go to a place and how recently you've been going to the place, really quite often you end up going to the place where you wanted to go. And it's just a lot easier than cd tilde slash la la la. I should find it easier. And as for how you set it up, I'm going to edit using LunarVim, LVim. Going to edit my .zsh RC file and go down to plugins, which is where I'm at here. And you can see I'm using two plugins, one called Git and this other one called Z. And that's it, basically. So if you're using the Z shell and if you're using oh-my-zsh, if you're using that, I don't know what to call it, protocol or setup or whatever, that's all you have to do. Do that and then it will work. Very, very handy. And the only problem with it is if you do man-z, you get nothing. If you do z-h for help, you get something really pretty cryptic. And I don't know why that is. I'm on Mac OS. But you can just you can just go online and you can find full manuals. And I think on some systems, maybe on this one, if I had it set up differently, Z-H would give you some paragraphs. I mean, honestly, this is a great advertisement for the problem of Unix. It's like, that is a bit on the terse side. I could guess it was -H for help, but honestly, that's not telling me enough to be useful. Okay, that's it. I recommend Z. I think it's pretty useful. Take care. Bye.